Well, hi there. It's time for the first visit to Getterön, the bird sanctuary here on the west coast of Sweden. So let's go. So already the black-headed gulls has arrived, not in big numbers, but you can certainly hear them crying out their rather annoying sound, I think. Maybe there are something else, so let's see. So the water level is quite high, and there isn't much activity close to the hide yet. Only the black-headed gulls out of the small islands out there. There is a potential that it could be a nice sunset this evening, but probably it is still kind of cold. It's just late March, so well, the sky might turn bluish quite early, so we'll see about that. So this is my first visit for this season, and I have two reasons for that. One is to check out the bird situation, and the other is to test out a new tripod that I have bought for this occasion, or this hide rather. So we'll see how that goes. Well, maybe I should have done some measuring beforehand, but when the opportunity arose, I didn't have access to the hide. So the problem is, you can see one of the legs are sticking out of the shelf it's standing on, and that's a potential for the tripod to tip over. I'll figure out something. Well, so I think actually this will work. I have to find a way just to secure it to the front of the hide, or the opening, so it won't slip down. But even if it does, and I'm sitting here, I will catch it in my knee. So just adjusting, putting a strap or something here in front up to this point here, from here to here, and then I think I'm good to go. Well, so one of the advantages with this small tripod is that it is a video head, and it has a built-in ball joint, if you can call it that, so you easily can level the tripod head without adjusting the legs. That's something that I've been looking for a while. It's quite cumbersome to adjust the legs, especially when I'm taking videos and panning. It seems like the picture always will tilt to one way or another. So I think that will be a nice addition to my gear. So I'm done fiddling with my gear, and now it's just a few minutes, maybe 5 minutes until the sun sets, and I told to get some shots tonight. Let's see how that goes. So I just love how the sun reflects in the clouds and then reflects in the water and give this golden impression, and the silhouette, the black silhouette against that, I like that a lot. So this is one of my favorite places, as you know. Yeah, the sun went down behind the horizon and it was kind of spectacular. It's always nice to be seeing the sunset. Let's hope for, I will stay a few more minutes and see what happens. Sometimes, yeah, the best actually is after the sun has set. Well, so that was the first visit here for the season, and I think it went quite well. The tripod, better than I expected. Of course it had been better if it had all 3 feet on the table, but yeah, I figure something out later on to get it steady there. And thanks for watching, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. It means a lot, and also comment. I'd like to hear what you think about my videos, and feel free to share this video if you think it's good. And I'll see you in the next one.